Hey guys, it's Garrett with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing an older Datsun 510 Bluebird. This one is the one with the roll cage, if you can kind of see there. It has the OH5 rims, the open hole 5 spokes. Now there is one that has silver rims that's really rare. I'll put a picture here. And they did 2 recolors. I only have one of the recolors. It's this blue one, which is really nice. They did a bronze one too that also looks like this. But yeah, let's go crack this open and then we'll come back after. That was the Datsun 510 Bluebird, the black one, and like I said before, they have the bronze and the blue recolor from that year, and the black one with those rims is really rare, really hard to find. It was designed by Junamai, who now owns Kaido House. He does the Kaido House castings, but he was a designer at Hot Wheels for quite a while. Yeah. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Check out some of our other videos, subscribe, and keep on collecting.